In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to ClickUp Workspace. Quick 2026 guide. First, open ClickUp and head to your workspace overview. You should be on the main team space area where you can see the high-level view of your projects and members. From here, look toward the top left area where you can access your workspace switcher. Click that, then select the workspace you want to manage so you're definitely working in the right place. Once the correct workspace is active, navigate to the People section. This is where you manage members, guests, and invitations. If you don't see it immediately, it's usually available from the Workspace toolbar or Settings panel and is labeled People or Members. On the People page, find the Invite field. Start typing the person's name, or even better, their email address. Using a work email helps ensure they receive the invite without issues. As you type, ClickUp will suggest existing users. If the person already has a ClickUp account, you can select them from the list. If they're new, you'll see an option to invite the email you entered. Click that invite option to proceed. Now you'll see the invitation ready to send. Review the details, make sure the address is correct, and look for any role or access dropdowns. If you need to adjust their level of access, you can do that here before sending. When everything looks good, choose Send Free Invite. ClickUp will send an email to the person with a link to join your workspace. If you see any confirmation prompts or highlights on the screen, simply confirm to finalize the invite. In most cases, that's just a quick click or two to accept the default settings and wrap things up. Back on the People page, you'll now see the new person listed. Their status may show as pending until they accept the email invitation. That's normal. Once they click the link in their inbox and complete the setup, their status will update automatically and they'll appear as an active member of your workspace. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If the person can't find the invite, have them check spam or junk folders and ensure your company's email filters allow messages from ClickUp. If needed, you can return to the People page and resend the invitation. Also, be mindful of your planned seat limits and whether you're adding them as a member or a guest, depending on the access they need. And that's it. Someone new has been added to your ClickUp workspace. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.